Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab we're going to be building a custom version of the mayor of Ninjago and his trusty sidekick, Dwayne the Intern. So for the cat, I'm just using the once standard Lego cat piece. It's probably pretty hard to find now, although it's probably available somewhere on Bricklink, so if you want, you could always just swap it out for the new kitten piece that came out earlier this year, which is absolutely adorable. Obviously, it is way too small for the actual cat, which in the show was massive, but hey, I guess maybe this is a younger version of Mr. Whatever his name was. So let's go ahead and move on to Bill Clinton, the mayor. So for his hairpiece, I'm using the one from Taika Waititi. I'm just kidding, I really don't remember what that character's name was from that one set that came out last year. I probably should have done more research on this video before I started recording. Anyway, it's too late now. We're just gonna plow forward. So yeah, there's that hairpiece. It's in silver, which is kind of a little strange, but not terrible looking. It's definitely unique, I'll say that much for it. If you don't have it, and I'm using it because the actual hairpiece that's used for the mayor minifigure does not exist in that color yet, but if you don't have it and you want to use maybe a different hairpiece, you could always use this hairpiece, which was used in one of the city sets last year, I believe, or maybe even the year before. So there's that. It also looks pretty decent. Maybe it's a little more fitting than the giant silver hair, but that's up to you. And then for the suit piece, I'm just using the one that was used on the Obadiah Stane minifigure from the Ironmonger Mayhem set from last year. If you don't have it, you could always swap it out for pretty much any other dark blue suit. I think there's actually a pretty decent one that came out recently with the Muppets minifigures, so there's that. And now let's move over to Dwayne the Intern, who, I mean, poor guy, he just needs to get a real job, then all his problems will be over. So yeah, taking a look at him, he obviously just also uses a standard brown hairpiece, and the face that he's using is actually pretty hard to find. It was only used in one set, I think the Hospital, that came out in 2018. So if you don't have it, you could always just swap it out for any other generic face with glasses. I just am using it because I really like the expression here. The glasses maybe aren't the most accurate, but I mean, poor Dwayne. That's obviously Dwayne. You just look at that and you see Dwayne. And then there's also this expression on the back, which also seems fitting for poor Dwayne here. And then on the front, I'm actually using one of the Ultra Agents torsos from back from 2014. If you don't have it, the other one that I really wanted to use was the Harry Potter one from a couple years ago with the Room of Requirement set. I think that one would probably be the most accurate since Dwayne's suit is gray. Other than that, maybe the Indiana Jones one, but that's pretty expensive on Bricklink at this point, so yeah, I'd probably just stick with the Harry Potter one. Anyway, that's really all I have for these minifigures. If you enjoyed this really quick look at them, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all that other good stuff. And as always, more stuff on the way. We'll see you next time.